very, very necessary. And so today, if someone is crowned, it is not just about us here, it's about the votes. Voting is 60%, and then judges 40%. So judges, we can move all out for you, but if your vote is too small, there's nothing we can do here. And so if someone is crowned tonight, we did it on a fair note, without much ado. We'll call the marks here. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. All right. So our fifth position goes to Sanita Donko. Sanita Donko. Sanita. Sanita, let's clap for Sanita. Yeah. Fifth position. Please move back for us. Sanita, move back. Thank you very much, Sanita. You've done so well. Our fourth position goes to Vida Opoku. Fourth position. Vida Opoku. Fourth position. Let's clap for Vida. Vida has done so well. Yes, the vote. Our third runner-up. Our second runner-up, sorry. Abigail Ago. Yes, so motion. Abigail. Give me the sash right. DJ, give me that one.